Hey, what's up? Amanda Katzman, founder of Amanda Katzman Horsemanship here, and I wanted to share a little bit about my story and how I got connected with SJ and what it is like to work with her. So when I first met with SJ, I had a lot of ideas, but absolutely no strategy. I was confident in my ability in what I did, but I had no idea how to put that into a business, much less a functioning business. So I needed strategy and I desperately needed accountability and support because I could be accountable for my clients and I could help them meet deadlines, but when it came to my own, I would always make them flexible. They didn't matter as much as my clients' deadlines did, and so it wasn't productive for building a business. And I needed somebody to hold me accountable to my own deadlines. And when I first met with SJ on a Zoom call to go over my ideas and to see if my business would be a good fit for her mastermind, I told her all about it, and she was so excited and she was so confident that she could help me to get my business going. And I'm not a fitness coach, I'm not a business coach, I'm that crazy horse girl. And SJ was so excited and ready to tackle this unique business that she had never even dabbled in before. And when I saw her excitement and her confidence, it immediately made me feel at ease, and that is when I pulled the trigger. So let's talk about results. When I met with SJ, I had nothing. I had no brand, I had no business, and I joined her inner circle, and after 90 days, I've created a brand. I have created a business and a program. I've launched my first program. I was able to add 1,000 subscribers to my email list. I created a Facebook group that went from 0 to about 600 people. I increased my Facebook business page by about 600 people, and the engagement is out the roof. It is amazing, and I couldn't have ever done any of this without SJ's help. And so what surprised me about working with SJ is that she is so dedicated. She will treat you and your business like her business. I don't know if you've ever invested in other coaching programs or masterminds, but I have, and you never really know what to expect. And I was so pleased with the amount of work and effort and dedication that SJ puts into every single one of her clients. She will stay up all hours of the night to make sure that you have whatever you need to be successful. And to me, that is an amazing coach. And so working with SJ is she's like the cheerleader and support system of your best friend, but the accountability of your business partner. So she's there for you, but she's there to kick you in the butt if you need it to, and keep you motivated and keep you on track. And if you need ideas for lead magnets, or you need ideas for a specific piece of the funnel, she is there. If you need engagement, she's in your groups, she's on your page, she's liking posts, she's commenting, getting the ball rolling. If you need support and accountability like I did, she is your girl. If you need a tech ninja, that's SJ. I don't know how she does it. I don't know how she keeps so much information up here, but she does. And she is so open to sharing all of it with everybody. And if you need somebody to analyze and totally nerd out about your numbers and your funnel, she's your girl. She's going to help you figure out, what's going right, what could use improvement, and how to strategize to move forward. So if you're interested in joining SJ's inner circle or working with SJ at all, but a little bit hesitant, I would tell you to not be. I would tell you to make the investment in yourself if you are willing to put in some time and the hard work to get out of your own way and move the needle forward, because that is what SJ is all about. She is going to get you from 0 to 100 in less than 90 days. So if you're interested in building a brand, if you're interested in creating programs and putting them out there for real, if you're interested in up-leveling your business, she is your girl. She is so dedicated, so compassionate, and it is just amazing the dedication and loyalty that she has to her clients, and her unwavering support. It is just amazing, and I've seen it time and time again, and I am so, so grateful for SJ and all of her help, all of her support. I could have never created this business without her, and for that I am eternally grateful. So if you're considering working with her, I would just tell you to do it. Don't second guess yourself. Don't sit there and, try to figure out, this and that, because if you don't do it today, you're less likely to actually make it happen. So don't wait too long. Just do it, and move yourself forward, because it will be the best thing that you ever do.